Hey, we got some great news in the RV industry. You're never going to believe what did or didn't happen, whichever way you look at it. First of all, diesel pushers, RV diesel pushers will now be available to be sold in the state of California. That's right, you heard it. You heard it from me. Diesel powered RVs, brand new ones, will be able to be sold in California. You know why? Because common sense rules. The EPA basically shut down California's authority to regulate the sale of diesel powered vehicles the way they were trying to do it. The EPA wouldn't sign off on it, so the EPA crushed California and said, no way, we're not going to approve it. Now, they didn't disapprove it. They just didn't approve it, which goes to show you how ludicrous our governments have become. But anyway, the good news is now anybody that wants to go buy a diesel pusher, a Class B or C, or even some of the vans that are diesel powered will now have the ability to sell those in the state of California. I think this is some great news. I think this might be the crack that the RV industry needs just to give them a good attitude, to get them started for the spring sales. We're right in the middle of all the RV, or the Tampa Bay RV Show. Things are looking good. This makes things look brighter. I'm not saying they're going to sell a whole bunch of RVs at the Tampa Bay Show, but what I'm saying is this is an opportunity for some good news, for people to get excited, for people to not talk about how bad the industry is, how the quality is bad, how the innovation is bad. This is an opportunity to talk about good news, something good in the industry for a change. And I'm all behind it. I think we need more good news. You've heard me kind of rant and rave about some of the things in the Kansas City area. I haven't seen a lot of good things lately, but I think this may be the start of it. We got the Kansas City RV Show coming up next week, and I'm going to go and I'm going to talk to the dealers. I'm going to talk to some of the consumers. I'm going to get a feel of how the show goes. But you know what? I know in the back of everybody's mind, those people that are selling those $200, $300 million diesel pushers, that they know that they can sell them in California now. And I know that the talk of the show won't be, we can't sell these in California, what are we going to do? Oh, woe is me. No, it's going to be, hey, good news. The industry has some good news for a change. And I think this just may be the beginning of something good, some good news. Hopefully we'll have a good spring. Hopefully the EPA will hold tight and not approve the higher standards in California. I mean, we've seen what the unintended consequences of government can be. And I'm not going to go into it. I'm not going to get on the political side, but I'm telling you, this is the right decision for the right reasons, and it's going to kick off and start the industry going in the right directions. Now, those dealers in California who said we can't sell them, guess what? They're going, hey, bring them on. Let's put them back on the lots. We'll sell them. And you know what? With all the houses that are, with all the fires that happened and the lack of housing, I saw where the Los Angeles mayor is going to allow the homeowners that own the land to put an RV onto their property for up to 3 years for temporary housing. Another good news. We may see a boon of RV sales due to this. You got the diesel pushers can now be sold in California, and you can use RVs for temporary housing in Los Angeles. Good news. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really am glad I can say something good, instead of just being downtrodden all the time. So anyway, I hope you liked what I had to say today. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. And you know what? If you like what you do, please subscribe. I'm trying to grow. I'm struggling. And that's just the way our YouTube is. And you know, I'm retired. So it just is what it is. So anyway, I again appreciate you watching. I hope this was good news for everybody. And you all take care now. Until we meet around the campfire. Bye-bye.